Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear or remove security certificate credentials on your Android smartphone device. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy phone or a Google Pixel or another Android phone, the process is pretty much universal for all three. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the security and privacy tile. And then you want to scroll down again underneath other settings where it says more security and privacy. And then scroll down underneath security where it says encryption and credentials. Go ahead and select that. And then there should be an option that says clear credentials, removes all certificates. Go ahead and select that. It's going to say remove all the contents. You would select OK, and that's how you would go about clearing and removing all the contents. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.